Oh, so this morning I went on Instagram and they sent me a message back from that company about the brand deal. Now they kind of left it in my court, like, oh, so like, what kind of like collaboration offers do you have? Like, so like, what's my rates? What do I usually do? So I threw it back to them. This is what the guy, I watch a guy who teaches how to get brand deals. He's like, what you do, you say to them, even like if they didn't say that to me, like, what do I offer? You just say to them, what kind of budget do you have, and what is your goals for this advertising campaign? And then they'll tell you like, oh, we want this, that, and the other, and then you can start to like tailor a advertising package and compensation package with them, and then try to negotiate that. So anyway, so I just left it there. Call. Oh, what's your budget? What's your goal? And I'll tailor a proposal for you. So, and hopefully between now and then I can look some stuff up and get some numbers that are fair for both of us. But yeah, you got to remember too, like, you're not the biggest influencer in the world, so you want to come in at a price that'll work for you and them. And I would be open to like free products and maybe a link to their company where I get a commission for anything I sell. And then it would be like performance based and get a little something, but we'll see. Anyway, I just thought it'd be like interesting. Like some people follow me, they're making content, they're trying to build their platforms, and this information would be helpful down the road. Maybe not right now, but they'll come up. You'll have brands reach out to you at some point, and you can start sending like you can start sending messages. I go through Instagram, and if I use a product and the video does well, I just used a Zep professional spray bottle, and that video got millions of views. It was actually I was spraying vinegar, so that was the focus of the video. But I mentioned I'm using a Zep professional spray bottle, and I don't know, there's like 2 or 3 million people saw that video. So I contacted Zep, and they never got back to me. It's a big company, but they uh, they blew me off. But I thought, well, maybe I said if you have any other products you want to promote, and they never did say anything back. But that's the one way though. Go to Instagram, message them because I've had other companies get right back to me and say like, yeah, we'll work with you. I mean, Market Basket last week got back to me, and at least said we're not accepting any new partnerships. But now I'm on their radar. They really should send me something, at least some gift cards or whatever. That video's still going and people love it. So I don't know why it's doing so well, but I expected 250 views tops. It's got over 48,000 likes now. I'm starting to build a record now. I can make my media pack and I'll just include like brands like that even though we're not working together, like look at all the views and like reactions I got, because companies want to see that they're gonna get their money's worth too. So anyway, I'm working on this now, and this is it's a lot of work behind the scenes. You see me put videos up, and like I bet you people are like, "Oh, it's a big deal." Like it's a 15-second video, but they don't know how much time and effort I put into this stuff to get the 15-second video to hit and you know go viral. I think I've had like 35 viral videos now, maybe more. I've deleted videos with 6 million, 3 million, because Facebook's copyright deal changed, and those videos they muted them. So I'm like, no one's gonna watch them anymore. So I just deleted them. But yeah, 6.5 million views. See you later. I probably deleted 6 or 8 of them. So, and then just like the ones listed on my YouTube channels and the ones I know of on Facebook, it's got to be in the 30s. Cause I've gone viral on every single platform, at least multiple times, like 3 or more on every platform. So I have a knack for going viral. So one of these companies might see the value in that and be like, hey, like, give them the money because we might go viral and we'll get a lot of attention on our product. So that's what they want. Anyway, that's where I'm at now with the brand deal. And I think I'll show the process. So it'll be interesting to a few people that make videos and do, trying to build up their platforms, and might be helpful to them. So, and my followers might find it interesting. Like, oh, look at Pete Go. Like I know he did all this behind the scenes. Anyway, hey, everyone, have a great day today. It's freezing out. I woke up. My room doesn't have heat in it. I woke up. I had left the skylight open a crack, and I was freezing. So I just got the heat cranking up in here now. I got my sweatshirt on, keep warm. Hey guys, hey, I love you. Have a great day, and do something kind in the community.